Welcome to memoQ in 90 seconds. Today, making memoQ AGT a default server resource. To use memoQ AGT as a default empty resource, you first need to register at my.memoq.com/AGT. Once you have an account, go to your memoQ AGT dashboard to create an API key and copy it. You will need to paste it in memoQ later on. Now in memoQ, go to Resource Console. If you aren't connected to your memoQ TMS yet, enter the server address at the top of the window and click the check mark to connect. In the Resource Console, go to Empty Settings, click on Create New to create an empty setting, enter a name and click OK. Once the empty setting is created, click on Edit to configure it. In the list of available empty plugins, select Adaptive Generative Translation or AGT and click on the cogwheel to configure it. In the AGT plugin settings, paste the API key and click on the Verify the API key button. When verification is done, click OK and OK again. Now you can close the Resource Console and open the Server Administrator. In the Server Administrator window, enter the server address and click the checkmark. Then go to Default Server Resources, go to Empty Settings and select memoQ AGT. And now memoQ AGT can be used in all online projects on your memoQ TMS. Thank you for watching.